Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another video for Scraptember and this is for how to kill a kit with style. So there's the picture and there's what I'm going to do. So this one, I should have probably put more of this on camera than I thought, because it did take me a while to do, but I realized that I should have probably did a little bit more. So I'm sorry about that, but really, as you can see, this is what I did with all of the colors. I pulled the rainbow colors that were part of the picture from the hashtag gals, that's my title, to this page. It was right after Heather and I got done with the setting up and everything, where we were going to take our selfies and all that kind of stuff. It was the decorative wall. It has the rainbow behind it, so I did the colors that way. And then I did do a little bit more off camera. Those other two blues and purples that you see on there just didn't turn out the way I wanted it to, so I went back through them to make them a better color. And here I am, I'm just drawing it. I dry the back so it lays more flat. And then the colors that I'm using is from Vicky Bouton's collection. It's her watercolor collection. It's called Make a Colorful Life, and it's got literally every color that you could think of, like the rainbow and all of that. But I will let you know, on my, like for me, the colors don't match very well to what's on the outside. Like that blue that you see there should have been more of a teal if you look at what she gives you. So I just want you to be aware of it. It may be because of the way I used them, but I've used these a couple of times and they just didn't turn out quite. I just had to use them more often, or I have to start using them more often so I get a little better of a thing. So here I am. I'm taking the colors of the kit that I decided to use. Now, like I said to you guys before, I used the same kit that I used in August because I'm trying to finish this up so that I would have just the pictures, a few pictures left over for the fall crop that Heather is having. So here I am, I'm just putting all the layering in there and I'm doing my little distressing as I go. But I am telling you that the way I did this, I've matted it in black to make it flat and it looks amazing. I really love how it turned out. I do take a bunch of sequins too once we get going here, and I do distress the pages. I go through and do some and go through and do a little. And let's see here what else I do. Here I am, I'm distressing. So make sure that, a couple of things. Make sure that you go and check out all of the ladies that are going to be doing How to Kill a Kit with Style for the month of September. And then also make sure you're checking out the ladies that are doing the Scraptember, which are the videos today, or video a day. And I'll link everything down below. It may be a lot of it there, but I will make sure it's together. And that you understand what's going, you know, knowing which ones are which. And here I am, I'm placing all of the, I was going to do hashtag besties, but then I went through some of the other stickers and I found one that is from the Dear Lizzie Colorful. That says, hey, good looking, and then I did some stickers there too. So you'll see, and that's like a chipboard. So that's kind of like my title within a title that I decided to use here. And then I'm just going through some, I just placed some little like water bullets, I guess, on it, if you want to call it, from, I think that's Bella Boulevard. So here I am, I'm placing down some little stickers, and then I realized that I can use the sequence mixes, and you'll see me get those out. And once I get going on those, I'll show you everything. So there's that one that I told you that I was going to get out. That says, hey, good looking. And then I decided I am going to put sequins all the way down this page. And there's the tub that I use for my Spiegel Mom scrap sequins. And those are all the sequence mixes that I get from Jody over at her shop. It's amazing. So the colors that I pulled out are Orange Blossom to match the yellow. There's yellow pieces in here and it works out perfectly, even though that they look orange. But when I matched them up on the yellow, it turned out perfectly. And I did take some of the orange pieces out of here to make it work as well. So that was my orange and my yellow. And then I used Picking Wildflowers for the green and some of the pink. And then I used Lisa's Starry Night for the blues and a couple of the yellows. And then the Trippy Tanzanite, if I say that right. I'm horrible with rubies and all that kind of stuff, sapphires, but I think I said that right. That was the purples. And then the pink that I have on here, I used Rose Wine Explosion. So those are it. So here it is. I put all these on there and you see them. And then I took the puffy stickers and placed a bunch of little puffy stickers everywhere. And then this layout's pretty done. It's quick and easy of a layout. It was more time consuming on the watercoloring that I did and the sequence mix. But pretty much everybody knows how to put sequence down. So I know I didn't show that on camera, but really I used my Tombow, dotted it, sequence, dotted it, sequence, dotted it, sequence. And the watercolor, you saw what I did. I just put a bunch in my little water tub and I just watered it down and dried it as I went so none of it leaked or stained the next color behind it. And I just kind of let the stuff flow. And that was about it. So make sure that you go check over Scraptember and How to Kill a Kit with Style. The still shots are coming up. And I'm going to finish putting out some of these other little embellishments that I can find along the way on this. And then it's done. This took me a while, but really it didn't take me that long. I think if I would have actually filmed all of it and probably did it in 4 or 5 times, it would probably taken me an hour and probably 15 minutes by the, drying and all that kind of stuff. So the still shots are coming up and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye!